I swear this is a UFO. Airplanes, other lights, and you see a plane going past it, it's blinking. This thing that you're looking at is going over my house. I'm trying to be as still as I can so you can watch it as it goes past. That is not an airplane, nor is it a freaking helicopter. I'm trying to be as still as I can. I'm gonna stay like this until it goes all the way over my apartment. That is not an airplane, nor is it a helicopter. Here comes a plane getting ready to pass. You're going to also see the blinking light in a few minutes coming from your left. Actually, it's a little too low. But as you see, the thing has went over my house. Okay. There it is. You still see it. It's still moving. Then it goes over the house again.